I don't think any trader has so far told you this, but stop making this key mistake when trading. And this is going to be a very, very simple thing. Um, it's so simple that a lot of people are shocked. Someone made $600,000 yesterday, and that's pretty amazing to me. Be sure to smash that like button and use the link in the description below if you haven't already for a bonus. But let's talk about this. Let's talk about what's the big mistake. And the big mistake people make nowadays is very simple. The biggest mistake people make is people, when they make a trade, when they profit, they go celebrate. So they are going to go celebrate on two different things. And if you haven't already, smashing that like button is really important. That being said, I think it's really important to say that we are going to be seeing some pretty great improvements on our channel. The most important thing is when someone wins, for example, let's say an arbitrary number of $600, they instantly celebrate. They spend all the money on either trades, on extra trades that are super risky when they win those $600, or they spend the money super fast. So they live like in Miami, they live in different countries, and that's what's really the big problem. So you gotta take it slow and easy. Everyone is taking it super fast, and they end up losing all the money for their BYBIT mistakes, you know, and this can make you lose everything because either you spend the money, I did the same mistake as well, and you need to trade more and more and more, and you need to trade riskier to support your lifestyle. Many traders, they move to Dubai to start trading without taxes and end up losing everything because they go for high leverage, they go for high trade, just one more trade. Or they do some other things. But that's the big difference. Like, look at this. This is insane ROI. This is insane profit and loss from perpetuals. You have inverse perpetuals, inverse futures. You know, that's pretty insane to me. So if you guys want more content like this, you know, be sure to smash that like button. But the share positions over here, like what they share, you know, it's nothing like the people who don't share their positions. As you can see over here, people are making a lot of money. They're making a lot of money because they're making the correct trades. And to me, it's very important to say that a lot of people don't seem to realize how well it can go, how well you can actually lose all your positions. So be really careful when doing that and smash that like button for more.